In our last video, we covered key features overview. Today, we're diving into battery structure revealed.
Let's dive into the new product together. First, let's take a quick look at the structure of this battery. Here, we have the power button. A simple press will turn the battery on. Press and hold the battery again for 3 seconds to turn it off. In the case of parallel communication, the battery of a single battery can quickly control the on-off status of the entire battery system. Surrounding the battery button is the LED indicator, which gives you an indication of the battery's charge level and whether it's in a protected state or not. Now, let's focus on the communication ports. The batteries can communicate with each other via the CAN-Ps. Both the RS485 and the CAN-I can be used as communication ports between the battery system and the external devices, such as connecting to the display screens, the solar inverter charger, and the communication center. Which port to connect depends on which communication method your external device supports. Whether it be the RS485 or the CAN communication, both communication methods support customized protocols. And guess what? This battery also supports Bluetooth functionality, because why not? We can use this LiTime app to monitor battery data and even control the battery discharge status or power off. We can also perform over-the-air upgrades on the product via Bluetooth. The data background manages the program version and can upgrade the product's firmware. How cool is that, right? After a firmware upgrade, it can handle even more protocols and stay compatible with even more tech. It's just like when we upgrade our phone's firmware. We get cool new features without buying a new phone. Imagine if our phones only understood Chinese and English before, but after the update, it suddenly understands all languages in the world. Pretty cool, right?
Join the LiTime community on social media. More powerful content is coming your way.